Two big names in modern business banking, but which one actually powers your growth in 2025? Mercury or Airwallex? Which one really delivers? On the left, Mercury, modern banking designed for US startups. And on the right, Airwallex, global finance built for ambitious international businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what matters for your company. We'll break it down by category. Each one earns points, and you'll find out who truly wins. Stay till the end. The final result might surprise you. So here's our battle plan for today, just so we're all on the same page. We're going to look at international capabilities, fees and exchange rates, multi-currency cards and acceptance, integrations and API, account opening and support, and, oh yeah, analytics and controls. Lock those in your head because every category tells a different story. Let's kick off with international capabilities, because let's be real, the world is tiny when your business goes online. Mercury is solid for sending and receiving international wires in good old USD, which is perfect if you're a US-based company. But here's the catch. All your money is basically living and breathing in USD. No multi-currency holding, and you don't get local bank details outside the States. Kind of like buying a passport, but only getting one stamp. Now, Airwallex, oh man, these guys went global for real. You can hold and manage like 23 plus currencies, open local accounts in 60 countries, pay out to 150, and get this, 120 plus of those are local rails. Yeah, it's almost excessive if you're just working in the US, but if you're eyeing Asia, Europe, wherever, huge win. So in this category, Airwallex is taking the trophy. Now, let's talk about the hot button. Fees and exchange rates. Mercury's pretty upfront. No opening, monthly, or overdraft fees. Free USD wires unless you pick OUR, which costs $15. But, and this is a big but, start sending or spending in multiple currencies and bam! A 3% conversion fee drops in. Not exactly stealth pricing either. Now, Airwallex, 0 fees for transfers via local rails, currency conversions hovering at just 0.5 to 1% over interbank. And get this, no international transaction fees when you keep it local. I mean, their FX margins are still there, but let's be honest, it's way friendlier than Mercury. So yeah, Airwallex is the winner again here. Let's get pumped about cards. Mercury gives you neat employee debit cards with spin controls. You swipe in USD, you get instant visibility, and your accountant loves you. But if you want multi-currency magic, sorry, not happening. Cards are strictly US dollars only. Airwallex, on the other hand, throws out multi-currency corporate cards across like 40 markets, lets you collect payments in 130 currencies, and supports a jaw-dropping 160 plus local payment methods. If you're global or wanna be, this is nuts. Downside, if you're a tiny biz, global card management might get a bit overwhelming. But still, Airwallex for the win, no question. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Airwallex, straight out of Australia. Mercury, all-American, based in the US. And both are obsessed with serving remote, distributed teams all over the world. Fun, right? Okay. Scene change. Let's talk integrations and API. Pretty much the kitchen sink for power users. Mercury's API lets you automate your whole banking routine, plus smooth integrations with QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, and Gusto. Airwallex, though, is absolutely not slouching. Their API goes deep, ready for embedded finance if you're building nerdy stuff, plus integrations with QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, and then the e-commerce big dogs, Shopify, PayPal, eBay, Amazon. You see where I'm going? Both are absolute beasts here. Not even going to pretend there's a clear winner. It's a straight-up tie. All right, moving on. Account opening and support. Mercury just nails it for US startups. Fast onboarding, FDIC insured so you can sleep at night, killer team security controls. Only slight facepalm. Non-US companies, sorry, you're not invited. Airwallex broadens the party, onboarding global entities and even offering dedicated account managers if you're ballin' big. But heads up, their checks can get more intense for smaller or new markets, which can slow you down. So Mercury snags the win in this category, especially if you want that frictionless, US-focused setup. Let's wrap with analytics and controls. Yes, nerd territory, but so worth it. Mercury really shines here. Cash flow analytics, runway estimates, and deep employee permission controls. You know exactly who's doing what and why. Airwallex brings the basics, spending limits, and team expense management, but their analytics feel a little light if you're into the whole Silicon Valley hyperdata vibe. So, For startups wanting serious control and insight, Mercury is our top pick for analytics. All right, quick pause. If you're still not sure, here's a visual. Imagine a radar chart showing Airwallex pushing way out for international stuff and multi-currency cards, while Mercury peaks for analytics and easy onboarding. Totally different spikes, so pick the one matching your vibe. So, here's my honest 2 cents. If you're a US-based startup and you crave that peace of mind, FDIC-insured accounts, brainy analytics, and zero drama, Mercury is just simple and kind of unbeatable. If you're thinking global, want to hold and move serious money across borders, and need all those local payment options, Airwallex is simply next level. Was this comparison helpful? Seriously, let me know. And hey, bookmark this for your next growth phase. You're going to need it.